Forget everything you know about ChatGPT. The era of chatting with AI is officially over. In 2026, we don't talk to AI anymore. We let AI talk to each other. While most people are still typing prompts into a box and waiting for a paragraph of text, a small group of creators and entrepreneurs are building digital workers. These are called autonomous AI agents. They don't just write, they act. They research, they email, they sell, and they optimize. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 specific AI agents that are running my entire business right now, literally while I sleep. No employees, no monthly salaries, just pure automated income. If you want to move from a user to an owner in the AI economy, stay tuned. Because by the end of this masterclass, you'll have the exact blueprint to build your own 24/7 digital workforce. The shift. Why ChatGPT isn't enough. Let's be honest. ChatGPT is great for ideas, but ideas don't pay the bills. Execution does. If you ask ChatGPT to start a business, it gives you a list of steps. But then you have to do the work. You have to write the emails, you have to find the leads, you have to post the content. An AI agent is different. An agent is a piece of software that has a goal. You give it the goal, and it figures out the steps itself. It can browse the live web, use your mouse and keyboard, and even talk to other software through APIs. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is a smart intern who waits for your instructions. An AI agent is a manager who knows what needs to be done and just doing it. Agent number 1, the niche hunter and researcher. The first agent running my business is what I call the niche hunter. Every morning at 4 a.m., while I'm fast asleep, this agent wakes up. It scans Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and Reddit threads in the US market. It's looking for gaps. What are people complaining about? What software is trending? What keywords have high search volume but low competition? By the time I wake up and have my coffee, I don't have to wonder, what should I make a video about today? Or what product should I sell? My niche hunter has already sent me a detailed report via Slack or email. It tells me, Antonio, here are the 3 biggest opportunities in the US AI sector today. How you can build this? You don't need to be a coder. You can use tools like Perplexity AI combined with make.com. You set a trigger for every 24 hours. Tell the AI to browse the web for specific financial data and summarize it into a Google Doc. This agent alone saves me 15 hours of boring research every single week. That is 15 hours I can spend on high-level strategy for AI Income Hub. Agent number 2, the content factory. Now, once we have the niche, we need content. This is where most people quit because making videos or writing blogs is hard work. Enter agent number 2, the content factory. This isn't just one AI tool, it's a chain of agents. 1. The scriptwriter agent. It takes the niche from agent number 1 and writes a high retention script using my specific brand voice. 2. The visual agent. It uses tools like Leonardo.ai or Midjourney to generate consistent images or video clips for the background. 3. The voice agent. It sends the script to 11 Labs to create a human-like voiceover. The magic happens when you connect them. Using a platform like Zapier, when the script is finished, it automatically triggers the voiceover. When the voiceover is done, it uploads the files to a shared folder for my human editor. Or in some cases, it uses an AI editor to stitch them together. For AI Income Hub, This means we can produce 5 times more content than a normal creator. In 2026, volume is the key to dominating the algorithm. If you can post high-quality content daily while your competitors post weekly, you win. Period. Agent number 3, the lead magnet and salesman. This is the most important one. This is the agent that actually puts money in the bank. Most people have a link in their bio. They hope someone clicks it, hopes they like the product, and hopes they buy it. That's a lot of hoping. My third agent is an autonomous sales agent. When someone comments on my YouTube video or sends me a DM, this agent responds instantly. But it doesn't just say thanks. It asks a question. Hey, glad you liked the video. Are you currently using AI for your business or just getting started? Based on their answer, it provides a helpful tip and then recommends a specific tool or my own digital product. It's like having a sales team that works for free, never gets tired, and speaks every language on earth. It handles customer objections, explains the benefits, and sends them the checkout link. In the US market, people appreciate fast responses. If you wait 5 hours to reply to a lead, they've already found someone else. This agent ensures I never miss an opportunity. How to start today? The step-by-step blueprint. I know what you're thinking. Antonio, this sounds expensive and complicated. It's not. In 2026, the cost of these agents has dropped by 90%. Step 1. Pick your platform. I recommend starting with Make.com or Zapier. These are the glue that holds your agents together. Step 2. Define the goal. Don't try to automate your whole life at once. Start with one task. Maybe it's just summarizing my emails or finding 5 viral hooks per day. Step 3. Connect your LLM. Use the GPT-4 or Claude 3.5 API. These are the brains of your agents. Step 4. The loop. The secret to a successful AI business is the feedback loop. Every week, look at what your agents did. If they made a mistake, update their instructions, their system prompt. Remember, you are the CEO. You are no longer the worker. Your job is to manage the machines. That is the only way to achieve true freedom in the digital age. Golden living in the greatest wealth transfer in history. The barrier between having an idea and having a business has been destroyed. You have 2 choices. You can watch others use AI to build empires, or you can build your own. If you want the exact templates I use for my AI agents, check the link in the description. I've put together a starter kit specifically for the AI Income Hub community. And if you found this masterclass helpful, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Now, go build something.